Yebo baba. Hayi injalo ayijiki uma isinje. Ake siyisuse ngoba phela injalo ayijiki. Ake sithi kukhona uquqaba labantu olukhona. Sizobabiza ngani? Ngamalokhuzi onyoko. Oh sorry isho. Ake sithi community. Community, or let's call them a society. Right? Lungileke. Then there are agendas. Kunama agenda. Ma-agenda angafani. Within lama agenda, asithi okokuqala, cash flow. Yesibili, asithi businesses. Okwesithathu, bese sizothi thina grouping or sithi collective viewership. Collective ebese-ke viewership. Yabona? Viewership. Bese-ke the other agenda yini ama-targets. Singaqali ngama-targets. The other agenda is what we call humiliation rituals. Right? Lungileke. Within this thing ne, kunalento ekuthiwa ama-subdivision. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi, kunalabantu laba bakhona la kulolu quqaba. Ekuyibona abayini abayibalawuli balento. Abayini the decision makers. Ukuthi-ke our next target will be nuts. Masibheka la ayikho information ngalo muntu. How do we get information ngalo muntu? Sizothumela bona labantu abakulolu quqaba beze la. Wena uzoza nale nkinga nani. Ebese into abasuke beyifuna ukuthatha into la kuwe. Mhlambe ba-order benza ini bese bayithatha lento bayibuyisele back kuquqaba. Right? Then they will try indlela yokuthi wena ube nani nalento ekuthiwa yini-ke i-humiliation ritual. Mele wena uzohlekwa ebantwini ukuze kubulawe lento wena oyakhile. Bese kutshalwa oyedwa la ozoza la ahlale lapho kuwe bathola information ngalendlela abayidingayo nani abuye nayo la. Bese kuyasukwa kuyiwa la. Bese kuyaqoqana-ke ehlathini yeNewcastle noma ikuphi-ke nani. Makusukwa lapho into esuke isifuna kakhulu kusuke kufuna ini imali. I-information abasuke beyifuna amabhizinisi akho. Uzwana nobani, ukhuluma nobani, wenzani nobani, wenza malini ngasikhatsini ngobani. Then lo betshaliwe la mele aphinde abuye la. Mayisesuka la uzeza ne-information yala. Into asuke ezela kuwena usuke efuna ukuzontshontsha amaphepha la. CK documents, information, wara. Then this collective will be touched. Hayi manje siyeza kubona. La into abasuke beyifuna in your business endeavors is the cash flow. Then when they strike, they want to strike. The whole purpose is for you uthi ube ne-humiliation ritual. Kuthiwa wena unamanga, ayikho into yenzayo, izinto zakho zinjena, and you must be publicly humiliated. Publicly humiliated. You must be seen as a deceiver. You must be seen as this and that and that. When they realize ukuthi wena uyayilwa lento, then they start going into subcategories. They want to then find ways to enforce you ukuthi ukhiphe into khona bezokwazi ukuthi babe nani ne-cash flow. Remember, they have people everywhere. Then they start silly things such as hacking your phone, trying to find your whereabouts, trying to find ukuthi ukhuluma nobani, ukuphi, location, none. Your emails, try to check your emails, none. Nini nama-channel, try to go nithi manenzi show and try, or let's say do a live, what, and then they try to interrupt and disrupt. Nani. The whole purpose of this is for wena ukuthi ulahlekelwe yonke into ube yangithi masone humiliation ritual, and then usuyahleka usenalutho nani, you lose hope nani, and then they hope you will then come back to them.